SNS Crafts. Hey guys, welcome back to SNS Crafts, and today we'll be making a DIY Play-Doh. This was super fun and easy to make, and the video was fun to make as well, so I hope you enjoy. For today's DIY, you will need a mixing bowl and a mixing utensil, a dry measuring cup for the flour, some water, shaving cream, dish soap, salt, lotion, and flour. So the first thing you need to do is take your dry measuring cup and grab some flour. I have a half cup today, so I'm going to do 2 of those for 1 full cup of flour. The next thing you'll need to do is grab your water and add some of that to the flour, and then mix it together with your mixing utensil. After you finish mixing your water and your flour together, start adding some of your dish soap. The dish soap helps with the consistency, but it also gives it a nice scent, which is what you want, because otherwise it might smell a little weird from the flour. Keep adding small amounts of water and flour until you've reached about this consistency. Once you've reached this consistency, it's time to add your optional food coloring. So this step is not necessary. I made this food coloring homemade out of a marker, and you just want to pour it in to your mixture and mix it in with your mixing utensil. So once the color is pretty much in, it should look like this, and you can take it out of the bowl and start kneading it and playing with it in your hands. Your hands will get a little dirty, but that's okay. It'll wash off. Keep adding small amounts of flour if it becomes too sticky. As you can see, I added a little bit more flour and it's working a little better. Now that that's done, grab your shaving cream. I guess you could say this step is optional, but I would recommend it because it really gives it a light and airy feeling. Work it in with your hands until you can't see the shaving cream anymore. After this, it should feel really nice. So now it is feeling more fun and feels better. It's time to add your lotion because it's not really that stretchy right now. As you can see, before you add your lotion and you try to stretch it, it just breaks into 2. So work in your lotion until it is all worked in, and then add more if necessary. So after adding your lotion, it seems to be a bit more stretchy and fun. But now you'll need to add some salt to help with the consistency. Add small amounts of salt at a time. and then work it in. Keep adding more small amounts if necessary. So that is the end of the Play-Doh recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you make some awesome Play-Doh. See you next time at SNS Crafts. Bye!